the Kitchen Kabaret. And now, here's your hostess, Bonnie Appetit.
Oh dear, it's time for another meal. Yes, there are days when I feel downcast and get the mealtime blues. If I don't plan a proper meal, my menu will be bad news. Oh, the mealtime blues can get you every time you dine. But we all can beat that bad and end up feeling fine. So on those days when we feel downcast, I'll give you all some clues to work magic in our kitchen. Yeah, and chase away the mealtime blues. Now the timing's right, the show's prepared. Let me serve it on up to you.
Okay, Krackpots, let's get cooking.
Thank you folks for coming to my kitchen as I sing the praise of good nutrition. Eating balanced meals can keep you fit. Feeling grand of variety at your 3 meals can only improve the brain. The basic foods make the perfect team. When balanced they are held in high esteem. Dairy, bread and cereals, meat, fruit and vegetables, they'll help you chase those blues, those low-down mealtime blues. They'll help you chase the blues away. Thanks, gang. That was a real spicy number. Ah, they're such seasoned performers. Now, let's get things started with a real chilling act. Say hello to my friends, Mr. Dairy Goods and his stars of the Milky Way.
It's time to meet some beauties at this our rendezvous. We all come from the dairy with moving words for you, with grace and ease. Here is Miss Cheese, a delightful array of curds.
Your taste buds, I will appease. I know how to please. It's known that I'm too good for words. Oh, isn't that right, big ball?
Oh, it certainly is. It's nice to flirt with Miss Yogurt, the love of many gourmet.
Your palate is assured and really quite cultured. Make a sour scene okay on each and every day.
But of course, often I dream of Miss Ice Cream, a beauty who's charming and sweet.
I'm cool through and through, and I've got a double scoop for you. To be with me, baby, it's such a tasty treat.
Now you have met my beauties, I think you will agree. These girls have such style and taste that's
And now, direct from the silos of the Midwest, the Cereal Sisters. toast of the town for a jam session. Sorry, fellas. Well, here they are. A real hot act to have come to us from a successful tour of the breakfast circuit. Those breakfast buddies, Hamm and Eggz.
Home on the range, in the pan with the fire.
That song, the one we rehearsed.
Oh,
As members of the meat group, we would like to sing this song.
and cook you up some ditties as we sing it right along.
That feels our act is very keen.
We're chock full of protein.
The meat group can help you keep
strong.
Now we'll really beef up this act.
Speaking of meat.
And with a joke like that, we'll get the hook.
Look, see, that reminds me. What about the fish story?
A school of fish grew tired of a bragging big mouth bass.
I get straight A's. You would say, and so he would cut class.
Oh, he should have stayed in school.
A white made him a fool. Now there's a test he did not pass.
Mr. Eggz, whatever happened to that tuna you used to work with?
Oh, sad story. She got caught being fresh and was canned.
Mr. Eggz, you're the first egg I've ever seen lay an egg.
Oh, yeah?
Let's finish up before you get us in real trouble.
Yes, sir.
I feel correct is very keen.
We're chock full of high protein.
The meat group can help you keep strong.
Say, Mr. Hamm, did I ever tell you about the time?
Hold it right there. One more crack out of you and this act is finished.
One more crack at me and the yoke's on you.
Just, we're through. There's plenty of good protein acts for me to work with.
Oh, yeah? Like who?
Cheese. Cheese is a great source of protein.
Oh, I can't even think about it.
Beans. Now that's good.
Beans? Oh, nuts to you, Ham.
That's right. Nuts to me. Another excellent source of protein.
I simply have to tell you that my friends who are singing are delectable. Meals are divine as you can learn to fruit and vegetables. They're good for you, everyone. They make your meals a lot of fun. Like a carnival, it's nice to be with fruit and vegetables. And now, ladies and gentlemen, those fresh, ripe performers, the Colander Combo and the Fiesta Fruit. We'd like to thank you all for listening to us. We hope you understand good nutrition's a must. Think alright in balanced amounts. This is good for your health, and that is all that counts.
Think of our commentary.
And the foods from the dairy. It's not hard to imagine
That will always be in fashion.
Hey, good people, have you heard? Breads and cereals are the word. Tell your friends we have arrived. This group is hip to the jive.
Just remember with each meal, leave such a tasty kill. Say goodbye to his bad jokes.
'Cause we're going up in smoke, folks.
Wherever you go, don't forget Veggie-Fruit-Fruit out of the pan. You'll enjoy a snatch meal because we have a meal.
It won't lead you astray when you balance up their actions. Mealtime blues will go away.
Oh, there, Jake. Pick it up.
Proper food each time you dine to keep you fit and feeling fine. Eating right's a healthy sign and feeling good makes each day shine and shine.
Hey, we've almost made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more entertaining videos. I have hundreds of great videos on this channel. I'm always finding new content, so I ask that you please check back.